Hi, I'm Jack, and while I was watching a movie, a bird came from the window and bonked into the window really, really hard. Like, rammed right in, and he's pretty hurt, but now I gave him some food, I gave him some water, I let him rest a little bit, and now I'm going to show you him, and then I'm gonna release him. Be right back. Here he is. I'm not sure what kind of bird he is. Can kind of see a little more of him. Anyway, now time to release him. I don't think I can carry my laptop out, so just know this little guy, I named him Buddy, will be released. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.